Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to download and install YouTube app in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first step that we need to do is we need to bring up our Google Chrome. So by that, please proceed at the bottom search bar and type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, please proceed with this option called Open. Okay, please click on it so that you would be navigated to this option called to this window, sorry, called Google Chrome. So from here, please wait until everything are set, and once everything are set, here at the search bar, please type for YouTube. Once you've typed it, okay, please click on enter so that you would be redirected to the results. So please proceed to the youtube.com website, which is the official website for YouTube. Please click on this link so that you would be able to bring up your YouTube website. So we just have to wait until everything are set here at the YouTube before we proceed. So make sure that you have account, okay, before proceeding on the installation of this YouTube app. So from here, please click on this the upper right side of the screen, scroll down and locate with this option called Cast, Save and Share. So aligning to it at the left side of that, you can see there Install YouTube. Please click on it to install that as an application. So from here, please click on Install. Okay. And you would be able to bring up a window, meaning you have successfully installed that. Just have to close that as well. Okay. And eventually a shortcut will be created at the desktop. So our window would ask you to pin it to the taskbar. You can click on yes if you would like to, or you can simply click on no thanks to decline it. Okay? So from here, please check if it's being successfully installed as an application. To confirm, please type for settings. So we need to check if it's being placed aligning at our applications that are being present at our windows. So please click on open. By the way, you can also press Windows key and I key together in the keyboard, and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings. From the settings, please proceed at the left side of that. You can see there an option called apps. And under the apps, please proceed with the installed apps where you can see all of the list of applications that are being installed here in the Windows. So we just have to wait until this loading process will be finished before we continue. So from here, you can now scroll down and locate for it. So yes, it is being installed as an application. Okay, you can see it here being placed at the last of the list of application. So by that, close the window and you're good to go. Now, if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.